Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photo or video from your laptop or PC to your Android phone. So simply you just open this and you take an Android phone and take a USB cable. You just USB side to connect your PC and Type-C connect your phone. When you connect this, then show you to this option. Just open this. This is my phone storage and this is my computer storage. So if you want to transfer computer to phone or phone to computer in the same way, like transfer to computer to phone, select any folder, just to drag to copy and paste here, or another way, press on to copy and select, just paste here. Okay, now successfully transfer this. So this is a very easy way.